Cumbia on the Roof Inside Edition here, presentando several wall breaks at the same time, but we're gonna do it anyway because we are heavy-handed, and loving the process. Cumbia on the Roof, Tzeentch, Master of Disaster, Chaos of Gazer. We got this Xanadu. We have the Xanadu monster here. Everybody loves the Corpse Grinder, Soul Grinder. Corpse Grinder is even better too, but Soul Grinder is here. Getting some of that Tzeentchy stuff all over. Golden armor. Gonna get another dry brush later. We are here, Cumbia on the Roof. Ahua. Cumbia on the Roof. Cumbia on the Roof. Cumbia on the Roof.
Focus, focus, you're not painting in the frame, focus!
Pasan los momentos entre las manos. Cumbia on the Roof. Cumbia on the Roof. Heavy-handed but enjoying the process. Cumbia on the Roof. Cumbia on the Roof.
Amigo, ¿por qué? Te digo por qué siempre andas solito en tu cuarto hablando de tú mismo. ¿No estás aburrido o qué? You need to focus, paint faster. The quota is not here. We're not meeting quota. Apúrate, amigo, apúrate.
Can I get a ahua?